Hey guys, Jake here at Picote Solutions. We're here in beautiful Cape Canaveral, Florida at NASA right now. So between here and our other access pit on the other side, we have the track that actually the crawler will crawl on out to the launch pad. So of course, this is a good spot to not have to excavate. And so we've got a pit here and we've got a pit 175 feet away on the opposite side. And we're coating between those two and meeting in the middle. So we've done our first application of epoxy coating with the Picote Brush Coating System. This pipe was, as I was told, was put in the 60s and it was heavily tuberculated. So we were able to go in and descale this pipe using several different tools with the Maxi Miller machine. And we were able to kind of clean this thing out right back to bare metal. And we've gone in and laid the first layer of epoxy coating. So we've just coated this side and the guys are on the opposite side right now coating back to the middle point. So we're doing this project on site at NASA here with Cloud9 Services. So we're excited to be working with them. They're a local contractor out of Orlando, Florida. They're a Permaliner certified pipelining contractor. And so we're excited to be on site with both Cloud9 and Permaliner Industries to provide this service for NASA. So pretty exciting times. Let's go over and take a look at what the guys are doing.